Revelation chapter 6. And I looked when the Lamb opened one of the seals, and I heard one of the four living creatures say, like the sound of thunder, "Come and see!" And I looked, and behold, there was a white horse, and the one who was sitting on it had a bow, and a crown was given to him, and he went out conquering and to conquer. And when he opened the second seal, I heard the second living creature say, "Come and see!" And another horse went out that was red, and power was given to the one sitting on it, to take peace from the earth, and to cause them to kill one another. And a great sword was given to him. And when he opened the third seal, I heard the third living creature say, "Come and see!" And I looked, and behold, there was a black horse, and the one sitting on it had a balance in his hand. And I heard a voice in the midst of the four living creatures say, "A measure of wheat for a silver coin, and 3 measures of barley for a silver coin. And see that you do not damage the oil and the wine." And when he opened the fourth seal, I heard the voice of the fourth living creature say, "Come and see." And I looked, and behold, there was a pale horse, and the name of the one sitting on it was Death, and the grave followed him, and authority was given to them over 1/4 of the earth to kill with the sword, and with famine, and with death, and by the beasts of the earth. And when he opened the fifth seal, I saw under the altar the souls of those who had been slain for the word of God, and for the testimony that they held. And they cried out with a loud voice, saying, "How long, O Lord, holy and true, do you not judge and avenge our blood on those who dwell on the earth?" And white robes were given to each of them, and they were told that they should rest a short time yet, until it be fulfilled that both their fellow servants and their brethren also would be killed just as they had been. And when he opened the sixth seal, I looked, and behold, there was a great earthquake, and the sun became black as the hair of sackcloth, and the moon became as blood, and the stars of heaven fell to the earth as a fig tree casts its untimely figs when it's shaken by a mighty wind. Then the heaven departed like a scroll that is being rolled up, and every mountain and island was moved out of its place. And the kings of the earth, and the great men, and the rich men, and the chief captains, and the powerful men, and every bondman and every free man hid themselves in the caves and in the rocks of the mountains. And they said to the mountains and to the rocks, "Fall on us, and hide us from the face of him who sits on the throne, and from the wrath of the Lamb, because the great day of his wrath has come. And who has the power to stand?"